War day number 1064. 1064 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, yes, another day. Wednesday, January the 29th, 2025. It's the last, last Wednesday. Well, it's Chinese New Year. Yeah, Chinese New Year today. Well, we have here 3 regular puzzles, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. Here. This one will be number 9987. 9987. Let me zoom this. Yeah. Let me see here. Okay. 9987. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher about 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 4 9. So let me start with a 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 place level 9 should be here on there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 place level 9 should be here on there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place level 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column. The only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. 8, okay. How about 5? Need a 5 here. 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, and 5 should be here. On there, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So last row, the only place left on the 5, 8 should be there. 5, okay, need a 5 here. In this row, we need a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only 3 places left, and 5 should be here. Here or there, we have 5 in the first row, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left with 5. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 5, there we have 5. Okay, I cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about the 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row? So in the third row, the only 2 places. Oh, we already have 8 here. 8, need the 8 here. Need the 8 there. Need the 8 here. Then 136, 136. Okay. Now I'm stuck. I'm stuck. How about 7? Two. In this column, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this big tree. No 2 in this box. And we have a 2 in this row. No 2 in that box. So the 2 in this column should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those. 6 and the 7. Okay. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Well, need a 2 here. Yeah, I'm thinking 7. 3. Need a 3 there. 3, 6, 7, and 8. How about? Need an 8 here or there. 8. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a 6 here. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 or 6 here. 1, 6, and 3. Come on. This is taking too long. Only 1, 6 there. What's happening? 6, 6, 6. Need a 4 here. 4, 4. 4 here. Need a 4 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. In this picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. The 4 in this big square could be here. Could be there. In this big square, we need 7. We have a 7 in this last row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 in the third column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 in the second column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 7 there, okay. Then how about the 8? 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here, okay. In this big square, 6, 6, 6. I think this box should be a 1. Yeah, we got you. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be a 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely a 1. Hidden number 1. Okay. Okay. Well. Okay. Well. So we need a 6 here. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Well. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the third row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between only 3 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Well. 7. 7. In this column, we need a 7. These two boxes can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 in these two boxes. That box can be 7. We have a 7 in this one. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column. 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay, so we need a 7 here. And I need a... Come on, come on, come on. 6, 6, 6, okay. Need a 6 here, 2. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot me down. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. Numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the second column for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, only place level 2 should be there. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6, okay. Here, 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left. In the last row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, no, only 2 place left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, oh, we already have 8. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. I need a 4, need a 6, okay. Then, let me see. Then. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This can't be a 7 anymore. Then, need 1. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2. I need a 6, 6, 6, 6, okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, 2 should be there. And if eliminated here, 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Okay, 1 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is, the 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Here should be also the 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Okay. 1, 6, 2, 7. 2 and 7. We already have a 2. Overlook this 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. The 1 and the 6, we have a pair then. 1 and the 6. So the other 3 should be 6, 7. Oh, here cannot be a 6 anymore because we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. 1 and a 6. This box should be 7 then. That box in this column should be 6 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 7 then. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. The 2. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes. And there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and 6, we already have 4 here, so this box should be 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is no, the 5, 6 is missing here. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 or a 6, we have a 6 here, so this box should be a 1. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in. A 6 goes there, and the final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Definitely at 2 stars. Well, we got a hidden number here. But we solved it again, and I like this one here, so I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.